Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into creating custom error pages and integrating Slack notifications in an episode 091, likely a Python/Flask or similar framework, application. This tutorial will cover the concepts, the code, and best practices. Understanding the goal *. The objective is to provide a user-friendly experience when errors occur in your web application. Instead of showing a generic browser error, you want 1. Custom error pages * visually appealing and informative pages that explain the error to the user, potentially offering guidance or contact information. 2. Slack notifications * to receive instant alerts in your Slack workspace whenever an error occurs. This allows your team to quickly identify and address issues proactively. Assumptions * you are using a Python-based framework like Flask or Django. The core concepts are applicable to other frameworks as well, but the code examples will be geared towards Python. * you have basic familiarity with Python, web frameworks, and HTTP status codes. * you have a Slack workspace and know how to create Slack apps and webhooks. Key concepts * HTTP status codes * these are 3-digit codes that the server returns to the client indicating the outcome of a request. Examples include *200 OK, success. *400 bad request, client-side error. *404 not found, client-side error. *500 internal server error, server-side error. Error handling in web frameworks web frameworks provide mechanisms to catch exceptions, errors, and handle them gracefully. Custom error handlers functions within your application that are specifically designed to handle certain HTTP status codes. Slack webhooks a way to send simple messages to Slack from your application without requiring full OAuth integration. Exception handling the practice of catching and handling exceptions to prevent your application from crashing. Logging recording events and errors that occur in your application for debugging and monitoring purposes. Step-by-step implementation, Python/Flask example. 1. Project setup, if you don't already have one. 2. Create a app.py, or your main application file. TB. 3. Create error page templates * create the following HTML files in a templates directory. templates/400.html. templates/404.html. templates/500.html. Example templates/500.html. Adjust the HTML to match your application's styling. You should similarly create the 400.html and 404.html files. 4. Set up Slack webhook * create a Slack app * go to https://api.slack.com/apps, https://api.slack.com/apps, and create a new app. Activate incoming webhooks in your app settings, navigate to incoming webhooks and activate them. Add a webhook to your workspace * choose the channel you want to receive notifications in and add a new webhook. Copy the webhook URL * Slack will provide you with a unique URL that looks something like https://hooks.slack.com/services/t000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 ** Do not hardcode this URL directly into your code. Store it securely as an environment variable. Replace your underscore slack underscore webhook underscore URL underscore here with the actual URL. 5. Running the application asterisk. Open your browser and visit *http://127.0.0.1:5000/trigger_400, triggers a 400 error. *http://127.0.0.1:5000/non-existent_page, triggers a 404 error. *http://127.0.0.1:5000/trigger_500, triggers a 500 error. You should see your custom error pages in the browser, and you should receive corresponding notifications in your Slack channel. Explanation of the code asterisk. Asterisk import necessary modules asterisk. Asterisk flask, the web framework. Asterisk render underscore template, used to render HTML templates. Asterisk requests, used to make HTTP requests, to send Slack notifications. Asterisk traceback, used to get detailed error traceback information. Asterisk logging, used to record events and errors. Asterisk OS, used to access environment variables. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk Slack underscore webhook underscore URL, reads the Slack webhook URL from the environment. Asterisk send underscore Slack underscore notification, message, function asterisk. Asterisk takes a message string as input. Asterisk checks if Slack underscore webhook underscore URL is set. Asterisk constructs a JSON payload with the text key containing the message. Asterisk uses the requests library to make a post request to the Slack webhook URL. Asterisk includes robust error handling. Asterisk response.raise underscore for underscore status, checks for HTTP errors, 4xx or 5xx status codes, and raises an exception if one occurs. Asterisk try, except requests.exceptions.request exception, catches various network-related exceptions that might occur during the request. Asterisk logs success or failure messages. Asterisk error handlers, @app error handler. Asterisk decorators that register functions to handle specific HTTP status codes. Asterisk each error handler. Asterisk takes an error object as input. Asterisk logs the error, using logger.error or logger.warning. Include the request.url to know which endpoint triggered the error. Asterisk calls send underscore Slack underscore notification to send an alert to Slack. Asterisk renders a custom HTML template, example 404.html, to display a user-friendly error message. Asterisk returns the rendered template and the HTTP status code as a tuple. This is crucial for the browser to recognize the error. Asterisk for 500 errors, the full traceback is included in the Slack notification to provide maximum debugging information. Asterisk example routes, @approot. Asterisk demonstrate how to trigger different types of errors. Asterisk /trigger underscore 400, returns a 400 status code directly. Asterisk /trigger underscore 500, intentionally causes a division by 0 to trigger an unhandled exception. Asterisk /non-existent underscore page, simulates a 404 error, page not found. Asterisk exception handling, try, except. Asterisk the /trigger underscore 500 route demonstrates proper exception handling. The try, except block prevents the application from crashing and allows the error handler to be invoked. The raise in the except block is essential to re-raise the exception so that Flask's error handling mechanism can catch it and dispatch it to the appropriate error handler. Key improvements and best practices asterisk. Asterisk environment variables asterisk store sensitive information like the Slack webhook URL in environment variables. This is a crucial security practice. Never hard code these values. Asterisk detailed logging asterisk log all errors and warnings with enough information to debug them, example URL, error message, traceback. Asterisk traceback information asterisk for 500 errors, include the full traceback in the Slack notification. This will save you a lot of time when debugging. Use traceback.format_exc to get the formatted traceback. Surround the traceback in triple backticks in the Slack message to ensure it is rendered as a code block, improving readability. Asterisk user-friendly error pages asterisk design custom error pages that are helpful and informative to users. Don't just show a blank or cryptic error message. Asterisk error reporting asterisk consider using a more advanced error reporting service like Sentry or Rollbar in addition to Slack notifications. These services provide features like error grouping, detailed diagnostics, and integration with other tools. Asterisk rate limiting, optional if your application handles a lot of traffic, consider rate limiting the sending of Slack notifications to avoid overwhelming your Slack channel. You could implement a simple rate limiter using a counter and a timestamp. Asterisk structured logging, optional use structured logging, example with JSON format, to make it easier to analyze logs programmatically. Asterisk security considerations asterisk be mindful of what information you include in error messages and Slack notifications. Avoid logging or sending sensitive data, example passwords, API keys. Asterisk asynchronous Slack notifications, optional for high-performance applications, consider sending Slack notifications asynchronously, example using Celery or a similar task queue, to avoid blocking the main request thread. This will improve response times. Asterisk contextual information asterisk include relevant contextual information in your error messages and Slack notifications. For example, you could include the user ID, the request parameters, or the state of the application. Asterisk test your error handling asterisk write unit tests to ensure that your error handlers are working correctly. Test all of the different error scenarios. Asterisk flask config using the flask config is the ideal way to handle the settings for your app. Consider this structure. Then use app config /webhook_URL to get the value. Remember to set flask_config environment variable. Asterisk remove debug equals true for production, this is a huge security risk. In production, set debug equals false. Example docker compose.yml, optional, for deployment. Summary asterisk. By implementing custom error pages and Slack notifications, you can significantly improve the user experience and your team's ability to respond to issues in your web application. Remember to prioritize security, logging, and user-friendliness in your implementation. The detailed example above provides a solid foundation for building a robust error handling system in your episode 091 application.